Hello and welcome back to Draw with Boba. Today we'll be drawing Retsuko from Sanrio. It is going to be a raccoon, so let's start off with a really raccoon looking face. We're going to start with the eyes right around here. I'm going to start and draw in an oval eye around this size. It's looking good to start. Now with the eye done, we want to go over to the other side and draw in the same eye shape. As closely as possible, matching the height and the bottom. Now we just need to add in the highlight on both sides. Let's just draw in a little line for the bottom color. And let's color in the middle black. Like so, just to start off the eyes. Once you're done with this step, let's draw in her little eyelashes. It's gonna be right around here. We're gonna go out and back in and color that in. Same thing on the other side. Out, in, and color it in. For the lashes, once we're done with that, let's go move over to the eyebrows. Right around here, we wanna go up. And similar to the eyes, it's just going to be a nice, simple oval shape on one side and the other side. So 2 ovals, and let's draw in the face. We're going to start with the nose. Right around here, we want to go down, across, back up to connect. And for the mouth, it's going to be a line. Go out one way, and go out the other way for the mouth. And then she has a muzzle, so we're going to start right in the middle, above, right between the eyes. We're going to start right here and go over and connect to the face. Continue down, go across, and we want to go and repeat on the other side. We're going to go up, connect to the second eye, and finally go back towards the middle, like so. Now with her muzzle done, let's just draw in her head shape. It's going to be a pretty big oval head. So let's go right all the way to the top, right around here. I'm going to start here, and we'll go all the way down to the side. In a big arc. And we want to stop around here where it lines up the mouth, and we're going to continue on the other side. Big arc. Like so. And then now we want to, instead of continuing to make a circle, we're going to actually make a little bit lower line just for her unique head shape. Right under her chin, like so. Repeat on the other side. Nicely done. Now for the ears, it's just going to be really simple. We're going to just start off with little spikes for some fur detail. Like so, on both sides. So, and then we're going to go up from this corner to the peak of the ear and back down to her head. Repeat on the same side. Up and down and connect. And she needs a little bit of inner ear detail. 1, 2. And her ears are done. Now we just need the little side things for the white of her face. We draw in this really thinly on both sides of her face. 2 arcing lines on either side. Like so. Now with her head done, let's draw her in her little outfit. We're going to keep it really simple. We're going to start off with a V. And then 2 spikes to simplify her collar. Super easy. On the other side, 2 spikes again. connect to the middle. And for the side of her outfit, it's just going to be 2 straight lines at an angle downwards. Now we want to connect the bottom to complete her shirt. The sleeves, it's just going to be a rectangle, 1 sleeve, and a little arm. On the other side, sleeve, and a little arm. And for her skirt, we're going to draw in 2 lines, now going a little bit inwards, and connect. So this is going to be her skirt. So now she needs her little legs. 1 leg, 2 legs, and let's draw in some lines for her shoes, like so. And Retsuko does have a tail, so let's add that in. We're going to start right here, go down, curve up, and connect back to her body for her tail. Once your drawing is done, all we really need is some color real quick, and there you have it. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked the video, please give it a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.